Welcome friends, welcome to Acquireias. Today we are going to discuss questions on environmental pollutions. You can download the short notes of the Hindu PDF from the given links daily, which is most useful for UPSC prelims, mains as well as interview. And it is also important for various competitive examinations. So let us go further. You can join the WhatsApp group in the following number, that is 9640123412. You can follow me on my Facebook page and you can subscribe the blog for getting any interesting articles in your inbox. And third thing is you can join the Telegram channel for getting more kind of PDFs. Next we move further. The quote of the day: the moment you doubt whether you can fly. Okay, the moment you doubt whether you can fly, you cease forever to be able to do it. So you have to just think over this quote for 1 minute or 15 seconds at least. Okay, then you will get your personal answer from your soul. Okay, so let us begin now. So today we are going to discuss the questions on environmental pollution, chapter number 5 of the Shankar IAS, that is water pollution part 2. Okay, in part 1 we have discussed earlier. You can refer those videos and then come to the part 2. So let us begin now. Question number 1 is saying that in water pollution, pollutants travel directly from source to water. And statement number 2 says that point source are easy to regulate. So choose the correct answer from the given code: only A, only B, both A and B, and neither A nor B. So here our answer will be both A and B. Okay, so why A and B? What is the reason? What is the meaning of the point source? Here I'll show you through the figure. So you can see here the figure which I have included here for you, that is non-point sources. These are all the non-point sources, that is city streets, okay, rural homes, cropland, animal feed lots. Next, the point source. What is a particular point source? Just now we saw about the question on the point source as well. So what is the point source? That is the waste which is excluded from the factory to the drainage system. And the second one is water waste treatment plants. Okay, it will also segregate in the grid system, that is sewerage system. So it is called as point sources. Next we move for the second question, that is community waste water includes discharges from house, commercial and industrial establishments connected to public sewerage systems. Second statement says the sewerage contains human and animal excreta for food residues, food residues, cleaning agents, detergents and other waste. Yes, so here obviously the both statements are correct, so no need to get confused here. So our answer will be the C, right? Next we move further. This is the community waste which I have tried to show you through the picture. That is, here you can see the household, he is getting connected through the community grid systems, and by the final the vehicles will transport it to the some other place. Okay, in villages it will go directly to the sewerage systems, okay, which is constructed by the municipality department, right? Next we move for the third question. What do you understand by the term putrescibility? Okay, so option number A, the process of decomposition of organic matter present in water by microorganisms using oxygen. Second option says the process of decomposition of organic matters present in water by microorganisms using oxygen. So you can choose the right answer from the below answers. Oh, here there is no difference between these two statements. Okay friends, so let it be, and whether the statement 1 is correct or not, we will see that. So the statement is given correct, so our answer will be both A and B. Next we move further, the fourth question, that is, the fertilizers contains major pollutants, nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Second statement says pesticides includes insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, nematicides, rodenticides and soil fumigants. Choose the correct code from the below options. Only 1, only 2, only 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So our answer will be the C here. Why? Because pesticides includes this all of the following, okay, and which is most important for removing the weeds, removing the unwanted growth of the insects from the farmland. Okay, so for this reason these are all used in the process. So next we see further fifth question, that is the thermal power plant. The thermal power plants use water as a coolant and release hot water to the original source. The second statement says sudden rise in temperature kills fish and other aquatic animals. So choose the correct code. So here our answer will be the B, right? Because thermal powers will use water as a coolant substances, okay, and it will release hot water in the original source, that is water body. Original source means here it is talking about the water body, okay. Next statement says sudden rise in temperature kills fish and other aquatic animals. So this is also statement true, because when the temperature increases, the aquatic animals or marine animals which are present at that situation, at that circumstances, which can't tolerate such kind of increased temperature. Due to this, the hamper will be occurred. For example, if the temperature of the earth increases by 80 plus, okay, think about just this, okay, 80 plus. So whether the human being can tolerate it, it is impossible to tolerate such kind of temperature, okay. So in this similar way, the animals will feel the negative side. So next we move for the sixth question, that is oil spills from the tankers at sea or leaks from underground storage tanks on the land and are very difficult to control. Soil tends to spread very fast, affecting a large area in the very short time. Next, second statement says oil spills at the sea decreases the carbon dioxide levels in the water and causes harmful to the organisms. So choose the correct code from the below. Option number A both A and B, option number B only B, option number C only A, and option number D is none of the above. So which one of the correct? You have to choose the correct answer from the below, okay. So we will choose the correct answer, that is option number A is the correct answer. Only statement 1 is the correct and statement 2 is the wrong. So our option will be C is the right answer here. Why B is a wrong statement? That is oil spills at the sea decreases the carbon dioxide level. So here it won't decrease the carbon dioxide, but it decreases the oxygen, okay. Here it will decreases the oxygen. So you have to remember, it won't decreases the carbon dioxide, rather than it will decrease the oxygen. Next move for the seventh question, that is polluted water reduces dissolved oxygen content, thereby eliminates sensitive organisms like plankton, molluscs and fish, etc. Next statement says hot water discharges from the industries when added to water bodies lower its dissolved oxygen content. Third statement says hot water discharges from the industries when added to water bodies does not lower its DO content, that is dissolved oxygen content. So which of the following is true? Choose the correct statement from the given below options. That is option number A, only 1 and 2, option number B, only 2 and 3, option number C, only 1, 2, 3, and option number D, all of the above. So here you got double coincidence of the options, so you can choose any one of them, right? So or else let me change the option number 4 here, that is D, none of the above. Okay, so you can choose here none of the above. So our option B will be the right answer here. B, wait, let me see the question once. Water decreases it does not lowers, it discharges industries when. Okay, so third statement is wrong. So option number 1 and 2 are the correct. It decreases the planktons and other things. Next, in second statement it says when water body when the hot water is added to the water body, it lowers its DO content. So these both statements are the correct. So 1 and 2 is the answer, that is option A will be our right answer, and option 3 will be the wrong answer, right? Next we move further, the 8th question, that is the polluted water usually contains pathogens like virus, bacteria, parasitic, protozoa and worms. Second statement it says it is a source of waterborne diseases like jaundice, cholera, typhoid, amoebiasis, etc. Third statement it says mercury compounds in wastewater are converted by bacterial actions into extremely toxic methyl mercury. So which of the following statements are given correct? So you have to choose the correct statements from the given options. Option number A, only 1 and 2, B, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, and D is the none of the above. So choose the correct answer. So our option number C will be the right answer because all the statements are given correct. Nothing statement is wrong in this. Next we move further, the 9th question, that is water contaminated with cadmium can cause Ittai disease, also called Och disease, a painful disease of bones and joints, and cancer of lungs and liver. Second statement says the compounds of lead cause anemia, headache, loss of muscle power and bluish line around the gum. So choose the correct answer from the given code, that is only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, and neither 1 nor 2. So here again our option number C will be the right answer. Both statements are correct, that is 1 and 2. Next we move further, the 10th question, that is statement number 1 says excess nitrate in drinking water reacts with hemoglobin to form non-functional methemoglobin and impairs oxygen transport. In the continuation, this condition is called methemoglobinemia or blue baby syndrome Whether this statement is correct or not, just think over it. Second statement says excess fluoride in drinking water causes neuromuscular disorder, and in continuation gastrointestinal problems, teeth deformity, hardening of bones and stiff and painful joints. So choose the correct code from the following, and this jointful pains is also called as skeletal fluorosis. Choose the correct code from the below, both A and B. B option is only B and C is only A and D is none of the above. So choose the correct answer, pause the video and try to attempt this. So our correct option will be A is the right answer, that is both A and B. Next we move further, because here the any excess contains in the water, it will lead to some other problems. So it should be balanced, neither not too much not too less, isn't it? So next we move further, the 11th question, to reduce water pollution, which steps are suitable? To reduce the water pollution, here you have to note this, to reduce the water pollution. So the question is around the water pollution here. Okay, so statement 1 says hot water should be cooled before released from the power plants, and option number 2 says, statement 2 says, treatment of sewage water and the industrial effluents should be done before releasing into the water body. Option number 3 says cold water should be hot before released from the power plants. So let us analyze about these things. So first of all, we will go for option number 3, that is cold water should be hot before releasing from the power plants. Just before few slides we have discussed that when hot water enters into the a water body, okay, a water body, then the temperature will increases ultimately. Then the fish will, not only fish, the aquatic animals not able to sustain the air because they are not tolerable to the differed temperature. So due to this reason, the third statement will goes wrong here. So wherever you see the third statement, first of all just strike it away. So here our option number B will be goes wrong and option number D will be goes wrong. So rest you can see that option number 2 is present in option number C as well as option number 1. So option number A. So no need to worry about the statement number 2. Let us directly go to the statement number 1. That is hot water should be cooled before release from the power plants. Yes, because it is totally opposite for this statement to this statement, right? So whenever this opposite statement is there, so you can just blindly mark the option number A is the right answer. Next we see about 12th question, that is water hyacinth. This question has came in your UPSC prelims previous years. Okay, approx 2017 I think so, 2017 I don't remember exact year, but this is a previous year questions. Okay, next move further. Water hyacinth and aquatic weed can purify water by taking some toxic materials and a number of heavy metals from water. Yes, it is obviously correct statement because it will purify the toxic materials from the water bodies. Second statement says water hyacinth and aquatic weed cannot purify. So here whenever cannot see, this statement is wrong because we know that it will purify the water body. So second statement however it will goes wrong. So here option number A will be the right answer, that is only one statement is correct. Okay, so next we move further. Yeah, this is the end of this video, so please do subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquireias. Thank you very much. Have a great day.